Abal mas skunde mag primar ma giwegi mano piem obagi skund primar Moi Education Center di nyime piem okelo kanyakla jogo abal 600 ma piem kidienje ma ok tin 2,000. Tevin Waweru mawuok Moi ne oloyo kidienje mar Front Host School ma bende noloyo kotieko gi dakika achiel sekonds 13. Kidienje ma nyiri Amanda Wangari ma jigni 13 mar Moi Kabarak noloyo mita 100 gi dakika achiel sekonds 49. Kocha kod jogo mabago piem ma jonyuol mondo yiene nyithindo donje piem makamaka giwacho ni en gima ber no ka nyithindo piem e kidienje mopogore opogore.
The competition was tough and I would want to improve. The gala has been successful.
I find this competition very, very tough and very competitive. And for next competitions, God bless, I hope for more glory.
And I encourage parents out there who have children who are differently abled, we call them neurodiverse children, to come participate for this event. They expose their children, they get to learn from the community, and they take part from the community.
HIPSA has been very good to us, especially coaches, in terms of exposing our learners and showcasing our talents to in our learners. We also want to thank Genesis Sports for being our sponsor, and we are here to compete and win.